Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iOS 17 estimating time remaining. It's a pretty common while updating your iPhone to new iOS 17, your iPhone is stuck on iOS 17 estimating time remaining screen. Several users have complained that their iPhone update is stuck on estimating time remaining when updating their device. So in this video we will show you how to fix iPhone update stuck on estimating time remaining issue. So first of all, before giving a try to any other step, it's better to perform quick check to resolve the iOS 17 estimating time issue. Here is how to perform it. First of all, disable personal hotspot option. If you have enabled the personal hotspot issue, then try to disable it. Then make sure you have at least 50% battery to start the process of update. Then ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you may see the problem that you are facing estimating time remaining issue. Then our last option is disable VPN as your device must update when it's turned on. So make sure that the VPN is turned off. So guys, then our step number one is free app storage. A common cause of your screen stuck on at iOS update estimating time remaining is the low space in your iPhone. It is best if your iPhone has at least 50 GB free to support the smooth installation of iOS 17. To speed up installation and make it error-free, you need to make enough room. Then our step number 2 is restart your iPhone. You can also try restarting your iPhone because this may solve the problem on screen stuck at estimating time remaining on iOS 17. So for restarting your iPhone, first you have to go to your settings, then scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down, tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After you are restarting your iPhone and you are still facing the same issue again and again, then you can try last solution, reset network settings. Among the most common reasons of why you are facing iPhone update stuck on estimating time remaining is network speed. You must ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi network, avoid downloading other apps alongside update. Moreover, it's better to use Wi-Fi network than cellular data because it's faster and stable. So for reset network setting, first you have to go to your settings, scroll down and tap on general again, then again scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.